Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So this is the last video of our tribute to our Bikram sir.
Yes, and this is Dhruva Natcharitam official teaser 3.
Yes.
So this is the last teaser of Dhruva Natcharitam. The one and second teasers were like brilliantly done, and it was looking like Hollywood movie. It was not looking like any Indian movie.
Yes,
and Bikram
right.
sir was looking dashing and
Yes,
like
true.
extraordinarily handsome, you can say. So I am very much eager to see how this trailer goes, and I really hope that you will also like this content.
Yes.
And if you do so,
yes, and yes, a lot of our friends have told that
Told.
third teaser is much more better than what we have seen.
This
in
is the
past.
best
Yes.
out of the three teasers. Actually, a lot of you have told the same thing.
Yeah.
So that's why we are very much eager and very much interested to
Yes.
see how it goes, and we are definitely sure that this is going to be rock on video, right? So let's get started. But before that, if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe, and also please click on the notification bell. Chalo, let's get started.
Yes.
ஜான் சரியான டீம் சேர்த்து வச்சிருக்க இவங்க தானே உங்களுக்கு சீக்ரெட் டீம் பவர் டீம் எல்லாமே சார் பேர் செட் பண்ணுங்க எல்லாரும் ஸ்பெஷலிஸ்ட் இல்லை ஏதோ ஒரு விஷயத்தில் எல்லாரும்
Lot of action, full of action.
யார் என்ன டக் டக் டக்குன்னு சொல்லுங்க பார்ப்போம்
இப்போது இதுக்கு எப்படின்னா என்ன எவ்வளோ வருது இதான வரும்
Music.
That is his full team.
Yeah.
Basement. Okay, team name is Basement.
Okay. So now
Okay.
we understood a lot of things, right?
Right, yeah.
By the first and second teaser, we understood that he is only doing, and
Right.
that much team was not exposed
Yes.
that time. Now we understood. Okay.
And team name is Unique Basement.
Basement
Yeah.
and
That's what we
yeah.
feel like it's there.
Yes, maybe. And also he was looking dashing.
Yeah, of
There
course.
was like no doubt of it. And here a lot of clips were showing
Yes.
of Vikram sir, especially. And the music, the execution
is
of this
right,
trailer
of course.
was like superbly done. This
Yeah.
third is like rock on. You are true, guys, that this one is the best out of 3.
Yes.
And I think the duration is
Like
a little longer
music,
also. as
music
well.
and all was like Fast and Furious. We have
Ah,
seen
kind
that,
of.
that kind of too
That
much
kind of.
action is there. Too much fast moving vehicles is there.
Yes, and he was like looking very suitable with that role.
Yeah.
I think he was playing an undercover agent
Yes.
or a cop, okay, and he's like catching the criminals or the terrorists
Yes.
out of that country, and he was like his gesture and appearance was like very much suitable with the role which he
Right.
was playing.
And also
My
I'm too much
goodness.
now eager to watch this movie as well.
Yes,
Yes.
but it is not released, no. So
Yeah,
we
right.
have to wait, like when it got released,
Yes.
and definitely this movie is going to be very rock-on movie and a lot of action. Those who love actions like you, action
Yeah.
lovers, is going to love this movie because
Right.
the concept is totally based on the action, like
Yes.
Tiger Zinda Tha, kind of
Right.
like that, right?
Yes, so a lot of action is there, and
Yeah, war.
of course, lot of concept, lot of guns and all.
Yeah.
A lot of racing you will be able to see.
Yeah, racing scenes and kind of like car and clashing of the car, collision between people, and shoot this kind of. I personally don't like that much of action, but sometimes I like because of the quality of the movie based
action,
on.
this action is really good.
Really good,
So
uh-huh.
here collision and all everything you will see like it looks
Very much
like
real,
yes.
real, and very
Yes.
much authenticate. Yeah, that's true. So maybe somehow like the teaser was so much promising.
Yes.
The 3 of them are very much promising, and we are really hoping that the
Yeah.
film got released soon, and we can give a reaction, or we can at least see.
Yes,
right?
you want to watch
And
the movie also
yeah,
because it's look too much promising and
very
too much
very promising. promising.
interesting to us also.
True, and we really liked it, and Vikram sir was looking dashingly hot. I like wonder how this person is looking so much handsome at this age also, at this stage of like 54 years. So he is a very well maintained, person, and that definitely can be shown by his,
And in
gesture.
his team, we have seen one girl also.
Yeah.
that is the
that
particular-
like the Durbin
Yes,
leakage, na?
right.
Yes. The whole team we can see, but I don't know that the members, any actresses or actors. I maybe I have not noticed because my whole everything like the viewpoint was
We
like on
haven't seen,
Vikram sir
We have
only.
seen like that girl in his team, that as a lady. Yes, rest we haven't seen any.
Yes, that's true, and everybody was like looking damn promising, and they have put in a lot of effort by seeing the teaser only we can understand, right?
Yes, like cinematography was, yeah. Of
Was
course,
like
it was
very
superb.
good, superb. Yes, the teaser was like looking very promising. That's what the thing is. I don't know about the movie, that after seeing only we can understand, but definitely it is.
Yes, we
Vikram
are
sir is
hoping.
there, so that must be a very good movie.
Yes, and the conceptual wise also it
Also
would be
good.
great.
Yes, this kind of concept is very much chalta hai, like in Indian film industry it can go long way, you can say.
And also Bikram sir is there, so he comes every time with some new type
New
of concept.
concept.
So I think we will be
Correct.
able to see some different type of concept here also.
Yes, definitely. And his appearance gesture was like so much outstanding, you can say, in this role. So we definitely enjoyed it, and it was like the best out of the three. That is my concept, and
Right.
yours,
Yes,
right?
of course.
So it was like outstanding. The teaser, I really like it. Abhay also likes it.
Yes.
It is a 10 on 10 from our side. Okay, so definitely I hope that you will also enjoy this content. And now this is the time to read the comments for today.
Yes. So the first comment for today is from Morgan C. He is saying that you can use the lockdown period for good film reaction. Welcome.
Okay, so yeah, that's
He is
what we are
writing
trying
on,
to do.
Onion
Aparichit split personality. So
yes, Onion is no doubt it's a good movie.
it's a very good movie. It's a super hit, and I think you notice that whatever reaction we do videos based on like some good movie only, some super hit or blockbuster movie only.
Though
So
anyway,
we
you have any
try
more
to do that.
recommendation,
You
then
can definitely
obviously
give.
you can tell us.
Yes, you can definitely give your recommendations, and
Yes.
we always fulfill everyone's desire. Okay, so yours will be also there very soon. If you have any suggestions,
Yes.
let us know. Okay, so thank you so much, Murugan, for watching and for commenting on our videos. So the second comment for today's video is from Kib Leel, and he is telling, please react Dhruva Nacharitam teaser 3. So yeah, today's video is for you only, Kib Leel, and please go and click on the like button if you like this content. Okay,
Yes.
and please enjoy. Thank you so much for watching and for commenting.
And last comment for today is from Gina GK. He is saying that Sis Thala Ajit and Vikram sir acting in single movie name Ullasam. Must watch acting Vida level. Please watch. Okay.
Oh, okay, Ullasam.
Okay. We'll try to
Okay,
find
this is
out.
actually only one comment I think from this movie, right?
Yes.
Ullasam, it's we have not heard about the name. Okay, G Nanans GK, I think your name. So yeah, we will definitely try to do the reaction on this particular movie, and if we get, then definitely we can do the reaction on the trailer first, and then the movie scenes. So thank you so much for watching and for commenting on the video. These all are the 3 comments for today's video. I really hope that you like this content, and if you do so, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. Be safe, be in home, enjoy our videos, and yeah, this quarantine time is very tough, I know, but it is going on. It is not getting to the end. So what to do? Just stay in home and enjoy our videos. We definitely try to post each and every day single videos for you guys, and yeah, that's it. So yeah, see you soon guys. Bye.
Bye.